In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download OKX app on Android. By the end, you will have the app installed and ready to use on your phone. You can download the OKX app on Android through Google Play or from the official OKX download page. In this walkthrough, we will focus on getting it from the Google Play Store, since that is built into almost every Android device. Using Google Play also lets you receive automatic updates, so new versions of the OKX app arrive on your phone without extra effort. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Look for the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it once. When it opens, you should see the search bar at the top, along with tabs like For You and Top Charts, which confirms you are in the correct place. Now, use the search bar to look for the app. Tap into the search bar at the top and type the word OKX, all in capital letters. As you type, you might see suggestions appear beneath the bar. When you see OKX in the suggestions list, you can tap it or simply tap the search button on your keyboard to show the full results page. From there, look through the search results and select the correct app. You want the one named OKX Buy Bitcoin, BTC, and Crypto. Tap on that result to open the app page. On this page, you will see the app icon with the letters OKX on a dark background, along with screenshots and a short description of the features. Before you install anything, verify that the developer is OKX Inc. You will find the developer name just under the app title on the same screen. Make sure it matches exactly, since that confirms you are downloading the official OKX application and not some unrelated app with a similar name. Once you have checked the developer, tap Install. The download will begin and you will see a progress bar as the files are downloaded and installed. On a fast internet connection, this usually finishes within a few moments. When the install completes, the install button changes into an open button, which tells you the app is now on your device. After installation, tap Open. The OKX app will launch, and you will see the welcome or login screen with the OKX logo at the top. From this point on, you do not need the Play Store for daily use because the OKX icon has also been added to your app drawer and likely your home screen. With the app open, sign into your existing OKX account or create a new one. If you already have an account, enter your registered email or phone and your password on the login form. If you are new, choose the option to create an account, then follow the on-screen steps to register, and you will be taken into the main OKX interface once you are done. You have now successfully downloaded and opened the OKX app on your Android phone, and you are ready to sign in and start exploring its features. If this helped you get OKX set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.